Guys, we have done the topic day and night, and now we will do a craft activity with day and night. Okay, I'm sure you're all excited to do what I'm going to do. So for this you need a plain paper plate. Okay, you have to flatten it and keep ready. Okay, you've got to flatten it and keep it ready. Okay, a plain paper plate. Then you need white paper and you need yellow paper. Okay, you also need 4 crayons. You need a black crayon, you need a dark blue crayon, you need an orange crayon, and you need a yellow crayon. Alright, and then what Giselle ma'am gives you, stars. So you need stars as well. Alright, so now see what you have to do. Okay, now saying when you take this white paper plate, as I told you, you need to flatten it. Okay, you need to flatten it. Then you take your black crayon and divide this paper plate into 2 halves like this. Alright, divide this into 2 halves. Then you need to take this we will start with the orange crayon. So watch as I am coloring. Okay, now when I color, as I told you boys, you've got to color left to right. Okay, no golmaal, no this. Okay, so watch how ma'am is coloring. And then we will take the yellow crayon and we'll color it over this orange. Alright, see, I'm coloring it over the orange, okay, to give you a lovely effect. Right, wow, you can see that. Okay, then I will take my black crayon and I will color this half of the paper plate lightly. Okay, and one direction, left to right. As I told you, always left to right or up and down, but in one direction. And then you take the dark blue crayon and color it over this, okay, to give you a nice shady effect of the sky by night. Okay, you have colored the paper plate and look at it properly. So, okay boys, so now after coloring the paper plate, you can see these 2 sides. Okay, now you tell me, what side is this? Is it day or is it night? Well, you have realized this is day and this portion is night, okay, because it's dark at night. Alright, now let's go further. Now we're going to make a sun. So we're going to take the yellow paper and first we're going to fold it in a triangular shape. Okay, we're going to fold it like this. Then we are going to again fold it like this. Okay, then we shall fold it once more like this, and then we shall fold it like this. So this is what you get. Okay, this is what you get. You've got to draw this portion like this. Okay, a little portion, little oval like, and cut it. Alright, see. Alright, and this is what we have got.
3.
Yeah, so after getting this, yes, parents, you can help them to fold this paper into this triangle when it comes to this portion. Okay, and then I'm sure you can even help them to cut it. Now, how do we cut it? Okay, alright, watch. So I cut it straight. Okay, now when I get this opened up, okay, now watch. Okay, you can see these lines. Okay, so now from this line, okay, from this line right up to this line, I am going to cut, right?
From there, going to cut.
So boys, from this fold I showed you, right up till this fold, this is what you have got to draw. Okay, like this. Okay, and now I am going to cut this. Alright, here you got your moon. Put some Fevicol here, okay, and I am going to place the moon here. Alright, okay, and then here we got our stars, so we just take and stick our stars anywhere, our twinkling stars. Alright, we just take and stick them anywhere, wherever you want. When I said wherever you want, that means only on the night side, because we cannot see stars during the day. Stars are in the sky during the day, but we cannot see them. So we are going to stick them here, okay? Alright. You want to put in some more? Otherwise, yeah. So lovely. Alright, so this. Okay boys, so now after sticking all these stickers, to make this look more attractive, what you've got to do is draw the face, okay? Draw the eyes and the lips, and same way for the moon, the eyes and the smiley face. Alright, so this is your activity. I hope you do it, yes, with the help of your parents. Please, now you have done cutting, we have told you how to cut on the line, so use a blunt scissor. Okay parents, please be very careful, see that they use a blunt scissor when they cut, and you monitor, don't allow them to do this activity alone. Monitor them and help them to cut. Okay, thank you. And boys, after you finish this, take a snapshot, okay, and show it, send it across on the WhatsApp link. We will tell you, okay, we'll tell you what to do, but just take a snapshot and keep it, and then I will give you instruction what's to be done.